Hello there, I'm Marcel. I'm a personal chef and here to inspire and support you with your diet. Today I would like to share with you how to avoid highly processed ingredients and products in your diet and replace them with real food, ingredients and products that will nourish you and support you and will be more conducive to your overall well-being. Now, highly processed ingredients or products are very convenient because it is quick to eat, cheap most of the time as well, and delicious. All these three factors that we are looking for. Unfortunately, most of these highly processed products or ingredients are infused with a lot of chemicals, preservatives, artificial colorings, and sugar. All these things are just not conducive to your body, to our bodies. In fact, it does the opposite. It can create a lot of disease and health issues and therefore has a tremendous impact in becoming the best versions of ourselves. Food is not only fuel for our body, so we have energy to move around every day, but also it is food for our mind and soul, which is influenced by the food that we choose to eat. So I hope you understand how important it is what you choose to eat every day. Everything starts with you. If you are healthy, you can help others to be healthy. If you love yourself, other people can love you back. To get started avoiding highly processed ingredients or products is by simply creating for yourself healthy snacks. Snacks are something that you can have at home, you can take it with you wherever you go, you can have it before workout, you can have it after workout. So it is really a nice way to get started because you always have it handy, and anytime you lack of energy, you can just eat one of the snacks that you have created for yourself. A healthy snack can be energy bliss balls, for example, which are made with nuts and seeds and dried fruits blended up together into a dough consistency, and then you can form them into bowls, and that way you can keep them in the fridge for up to 10 days or even outside the fridge for up to 10 days. They last that long because it's just made with dried ingredients. If you want to have a high protein diet, just add your protein powder into it. If you are on a ketogenic diet, just add high fat ingredients into the energy bliss ball. If you have never made them before, it's time for you to try. You can find some recipes on my website, maricelsvegancrush.com. Another tip that I would like to give you is, if you buy products, look into the ingredient list. And if the list is endless and contains things that you can't even read because they're all numbers, I suggest you not to buy it. Your body will not be thankful for this kind of fuel. Better go with whole foods, real food, like fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, grains, legumes, beans, you name it. You can create so many beautiful and super delicious dishes out of these ingredients. So for example, if you are into ice cream, just pop some bananas in the freezer. Once they are frozen, you can use that as the base to make your ice cream. It is already naturally sweet, so you don't need any sweetener anymore. And all you have to do is just add your favorite flavors. Just pop them in the blender, add some cacao powder, and depending on the blender, you may have to add some liquid into that. So you could use coconut milk, cashew milk, or just water. Blend them together and you have a really nice chocolate ice cream. You could adapt the flavors to your liking. You could use blueberry, strawberry. As you can see, it is so flexible and super delicious. There are so many options. You just have to be open-minded and invest in yourself. Attend cooking classes or food workshops. If you like cooking, it might lead you to a different path. You never know, and gives you maybe a different perspective that will spark up something in you that you wouldn't think about before. So it's really all about tapping into new territories without being afraid, because really you can just only learn from all those situations. Be patient with yourself. Everyone has a different pace and you have your own pace. So go with what feels right for you. Start with small things or start with big things, depending how you feel and how quickly you want to change, and go from there. I hope this video was helpful for you and it has given you a different perspective in some points. If you have more questions that you want me to go through, just comment down below. For more recipes, you can find them on my website, maricelsvegancrush.com. And for more inspiration, find me on Instagram under maricelsvegancrush and Facebook under Vegan Crush. I hope to see you again on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Love yourself.